Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel SKV Tutorial for Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair or reset Windows security in Windows 10 or 11 PC. The Windows security application is your inbuilt tool have to meet all security needs. Windows security allows you to manage the security settings of your device in one place. If you're facing the issue, Windows security is not working properly on your Windows 10 or 11 PC, don't worry about it. Here we have two ways to repair or reset Windows security. That is what we are going to do. So watch the video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start. Solution number 1. Repair or reset Windows security application. If this system component still is not working right now, repair or reset it. To do that, open the search box by pressing Windows logo key plus Q. In the search box, type Windows Security. Then from the search results, you will see many options. Then click on Windows Security Application Settings. Like this, it will open Windows Security Settings page. Then scroll down to the Reset section. Here, under Reset section, you will see Repair or Reset options. Then click on Repair. Like this will repair Windows Security Application. This may take for a while. Be patient. Once complete, then check if the issue is solved or not. After that, if repair fails, if repair does not work, then click on Reset like this. Then you will see a confirmation message. This will delete all storage data. Then click on Reset again like this. This will reset Windows Security Application. This may take for a while. Be patient. Once complete, then check if the issue is fixed or not. Next, solution number 2. Reset the Windows Security Application with PowerShell. To do that, open the search box by pressing Windows logo key plus Q. In the search box, type PowerShell, and in the search results, you need to run PowerShell as administrator. Select PowerShell Run as administrator. Then click Yes to approve the user account control prompt. It will open PowerShell with admin privilege. In the PowerShell window, type this command. Copy and paste this command from the description box below. Copy and paste and then press Enter. This will reset your Windows Security Application. Once complete the reset, close the PowerShell window and try running a scan again using the Windows Security tool. That's all.
I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Your contribution is more confidence to us. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.